great about quality is that if I tell it to check for 4 or 5 bolts, I can look at the data and I know that those 4 or 5 bolts were torqued down to that spec. I can be confident that I am giving the quality to my customer that I want.
What we're here to do today right now is to introduce our Baja team, which every year builds a vehicle from scratch. Almost every component on the vehicle is designed by an NJIT student, and they're fabricated here.
You can look at the brake calipers and master cylinders. It's the same brake caliper on the car that's being machined at one of the CNCs back there. And also you can see all the suspension components that were made in-house, all the tabs that were made on the water jet, and some of the gearboxes that were made in the CNCs. So I'd love you all to come and take a look. Thank you.
Technology is leading the way in investments. Whether the people want to tell you this or not, probably are on the leading edge of it.